ill, lost her life. They hold the view that the offender must pay for his action and should be punished as much. It is clear that a precious life was lost by the doings of the accused. Inasmuch as yes, Clinton? No. Really? No. Richard? Yes. Geoffrey? Yes, Your Honor. John? Yes, Your Honor. Any other one? Stephen Machine? Yes. Yes, Stephen, you can sit.
Stephen Machete.
No. Well, the last one is Anuki.
Yes.
Let Ayunko stand at the last. Well, yes, you can just stand Mr. Stephen. Yes.
Your Honor, we were before.
I'm doing the proceedings in number 87 of 2025. Domaida?
Your Honor, the quorum is the same.
Just in a similar
Yes, Your Honor, Ms. Wamaida, being the lead counsel,
yes.
appearing together with Mr. Gutto, Mr. Mwenda, and Ms. Wewa on behalf of the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, all watching brief on behalf of the family.
Yes.
Okok for the state. Yes, Your Honor, I was praying that we consolidate file number 87 and number 143. For purposes of our application. We have filed a further affidavit sworn by Inspector Patrick Washira. Of DCI homicide, Patrick Washira. Of DCI homicide division. Your Honor, we are before you on 3rd of February this year. Where we sought for custodial orders for the 1st to 5th respondents, pending investigations into this matter. The court granted us 21 days. The 6th respondent, Stephen Machete, was later on arrested on 12th of February. And arraigned in court on 14th of February. That was before your brother in court number 10, Honorable Aded. And the court granted us 10 days. Pending investigations. So, Your Honor, today we are seeking for a further 21 days. To have the suspects still detained. For reasons that investigations are yet to be completed in this matter. So far, we have managed to arrest more suspects. 4 more suspects. Some were arrested yesterday. We have also recorded crucial witness statements. However, this process is yet to be completed. As there are other witnesses who are yet to be traced and interviewed. Some of them ran away in fear of their lives after the incident. They are also yet to receive the report from the government chemist laboratory, where the process of DNA profiling is ongoing. The analysis of over 7 mobile phones that were recovered from the respondents is still ongoing. The investigators also recovered several CCTV footages. And the final report is yet to be handed over to the team. They received
several CCTV
footages,
yes.
And the same are under examination, and the final report is yet to be handed over to the investigators. There are still other suspects who are yet to be arrested, around 5 of them. Your Honor, it's our submission that the nature of the investigations into this matter are complex. And we need more time to finalize the same. We urge this court to consider the compelling reasons that were adduced in our initial applications. These reasons still exist, and there is no change of circumstances. That will warrant the release of the respondents on bond. The nature of the case has also elicited a lot of public outcry. And it is also for the respondents' benefit that they be detained in custody pending investigations, as their life may be in danger if they are released on bond. Finally, Your Honor, this time that we have sought for is within the stipulated period by law. As the CPC provides for a maximum period of 90 days. So pray.
Yes, Your Honor. I wish to argue in support of that application by the prosecution. Your Honor, because today we are in courts. And Your Honor, I believe that courts are courts of equity. And equity, Your Honor, is concerned with the substance other than the procedures. Your Honor, the substance in this matter, in this court today, Your Honor, it's a matter of weight, Your Honor. It's a matter of that has its own complications, Your Honor, and complicity, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, the IO praying for more time, Your Honor, it is in order for him, Your Honor, to bring more suspects and more evidence before this court, Your Honor, because the public is here, the other stakeholders like the media, the family, and the Kenya Human Rights Commission, Your Honor. All of them, Your Honor, they are here with a purposive approach to get justice from the courts. And Your Honor, because of that, Your Honor, I believe it is in order. Thank
you. Your Honor, as I indicated, for the purposes of record, my name is Guto. I'm standing to support the application by the public prosecution. Your Honor, the Constitution under Article 49 allows this particular court to release the accused person on a cash bail or bond. However, when they are comparing reasons not to release the accused person, this particular court is mandated to do so. Your Honor, the prosecution and my learned colleague, they have made compelling submissions before this court, and they have given reasons. And those reasons that they are giving, they are comparing reasons, Your Honor, where this accused person should continue being detained. Your Honor, this is, as my colleagues have indicated, this is a public interest matter. Everyone today in this country is watching this court to see what kind of decision this court is going to make. Your Honor, in addition to that, as the ODPP has indicated, it is also for the security of the accused person, who, if this particular court decides to release them, they might be lynched outside here, and this court will be blamed. Your Honor, it is for those reasons that I'll be supporting that application, that this individual continue being detained until the prosecution and the police conduct sufficient investigation and arrest all the culprits. That will serve the ends of justice. That is all, Your Honor. Most obliged.
Your Honor, Ms. Weber, from the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights. I align myself with the submissions of my two colleagues, Your Honor. And just to add that it will be inconsistent with the previous orders that were issued with this court when the earlier 5 suspects were held for 21 days. It will only be fair and just for the newly arrested suspects to undergo the same investigative process in order to ensure consistency and equality before the law. Thank you.
Suspect number 2. Yes. Suspect number 3. Peter niangalie. You're not addressing your problem. If you have any objection, we know kichwa unaniangalia.
No objection.
Yes?
No.
substantive ruling that does that.
Most obliged, Your Honor.
Or without intent. Consequently, factor in
Is that the matter? The number?
this is E473 of 2024. Yes, that in this one, I consider the nature of the charge, mitigation tendered by the accused. It further consider the probation officer's report dated 17th of February 2024. Considering the status of the offense and is properly charged, the accused did not purpose to fatally injure the victim. It is only that the strike exceeded the element scheme.
Talala kotini.